Puma on the beat. What's up? Puma on the beat. What's up?
I hit him up.
Who was on them all? It's the first time on all 2018 models. The 2019 models are rolling in. Bring in the new year with a new Honda or a pre-owned.
You know? The thing is, like, if you can make that on YouTube doing your own thing, why not do it? And why not push to make your channel bigger, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
So, any day over, hey man, you got flop on your own, and we got.
Alright y'all, so thank you guys for making it to the end of this video. Quick little recap. We got the fuel cell bracket and battery bracket bolted down. We got the battery inside here secured. We have the box secured, the fuel cell secured. We got the gusses down on the subframe. Got the subframe itself undercoated, and then today we also went to B&R Fittings and grabbed pretty much everything else we need. We got the fuel pump, the lines, the fittings, the brackets, everything we need in combinations with the other fuel stuff that I have to route pretty much from the sump of the tank to the fuel rail, regulator, back to the tank here. That will be in another video, but for me it'll start tomorrow. So yesterday I went to the P.O. box and I got this giant package right here. I'm gonna open it up with you guys here really quickly. This package right here came from John Patterson, if I pronounced that correctly. Oh, packing peanuts. This is a well packaged box, man. So we have some gold lower control arms from Skunk 2 with no bushings, but I do have some bushings somewhere in the garage. But if I can't find it, I can always buy new bushings, no big deal. But right here we have a note. It says Dana, well, Dana, it says Dana, yo static, keep the content coming. Maybe you can use these. Much love, John Pattinson, and based out of Eugene, Oregon. Now I appreciate you sending this to me, brother. I'm definitely gonna find a use for this. The threads look really good for the sway bar, so that's a plus. And you know, like I said, I can always buy bushings, or if I can find my current bushings, I'll definitely press it in here. Maybe I'll use these for the CRX because I do want to pull my skunks that are on there because those are brand new. But I appreciate you sending this to me, man. Much love. I'm excited for tomorrow. I can finally plumb the fuel cell and then dump 91 into it in hopes of the car firing over. Now it may change because it is a big fuel system, but it's not going to be long before we boost and tune anyways, so I'm not really worried about it. I just want it running, and you know, so we can further make progress on the turbo kit, get my main focus on that, and then get this car boosted before mid-January. So that is going to be the end of this video, guys. Be sure to go back to Monday's video, hashtag 4BP static giveaway dos. It's a very simple step to enter yourself into the giveaway, which I'm going to be doing a live drawing at 12 p.m. Friday. If you guys love today's progress, hit the like button. And if you guys want to stick around for the fuel system routings, because now we have all our fuel system supply, hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.